Good day and welcome. I'm Mr. Simons. In this lesson, we're looking at statistics, and this is just the introduction to stats and what we mean with discrete data. That's a very important topic, right? So, basic introduction. It's a branch of maths that transfers numbers into useful information for decision makers. So, when we say decision makers, give you a typical example. We use it in business analysis, business intelligence, uses in databases like Oracle and SQL if you do IT, Python, etc. Right? In these concepts, we have four important applications in the business world. Number one, we summarize business data using stats. We draw conclusions from the data analyzed, so in psychology, etc. Reliably forecast business activities, so we can look from stats what product is selling best, what product is not, what we will take off the market, what we will produce more of. In short, it then allows us to improve business processes. Now, the two branches of stats, descriptive and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics focus on collecting, summarizing, presenting, and analyzing data. Inferential statistics use data collected from a small group or sample to draw conclusions for a bigger group. So, for example, they interview 10 females on why they feel that men is not needed, and from there they draw conclusions for all other females. That's inferential statistics. Right? As I said, stats used in various disciplines such as psychology, business, physical and social sciences, humanity, government, information technology, and manufacturing. And you're also going to have to make use of stats for your research project. If you decide to go study at university, you'll have to compile all your data, analyze it, present it, and draw conclusion using statistics. Right? Now, discrete data. This is data collected by means of counting with only whole number values. So your basic natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Examples of these: counting number of people, number of cars, etc. So certain things don't have fractions, and therefore they are referred to as discrete data. So we don't have half a person or half a car. We're counting trees, we're counting various items where we do not have fractions involved. They are referred to as discrete data. Univariate data, uni meaning one, a variate taken from the word variable or something that changes. So univariate data measures the value of a single variable for each individual in the study. So below here's just an example of univariate data. The table below shows the distances in kilometers traveled daily by a sales representative for 21 working days. So day 1 he traveled 131 kilometers, day 3 140, etc. Right, now for univariate data, and this is what we're going to be doing in our next lessons, we must be able to find measure of central tendencies and measure of dispersions. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what that is, but we'll be doing it over and over in the lesson. So, measure of central tendency, we have mode, median, mean. Right, mode, what the value appears, or what value appears the most, or in short we would say the number with the highest frequency. Median, if we arrange numbers in a list from smallest to biggest, the number that appears exactly in the middle, that's referred to as the median. So in a list where items are arranged in ascending order, it is the middlemost value. Say mean average, we count all the values given to us and we divide by the total number of values to find the average of a class, for example. That's referred to as a mean. So it's the total value of all numbers added together divided by the amount of values present. Say measure of dispersion. We want to know how our data is dispersed from one point to another. So there we have range, which by now I assume you know is highest minus lowest value. We have interquartile range, that's my middlemost 50%. So quarter 3 minus quarter 1, or quartile 3 minus quartile 1. 75% minus 25, give me my middle 50%. Very important concept, standard deviation. Quantity expressing by how much the members of a group differ from the mean value of the group. So there's my symbol for standard deviation. That's the square root of variance, or the sum of x minus the mean squared divided by n. Square root of all n. These are my 3 commonly used measures of dispersion. And without fail, we'll always ask either range or interquartile range, and standard deviation and mean will be tested together, compulsory. Right, so this is just the introduction. I hope you enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.